Yes. Muri muta Uganda, muri muta murije mwine Ronald aka DM Swagger the number 1. Nje niza kubashomesa kinte cyo bakweta okutunga esete. Ninga sho kutunga esete no basa kurugoto mboro kabo muginga. Right about now, ishiko ino mukugomo ja economics ninga sho mugisete. Kandi niza kukorabira right about now. Yes. I'm going to teach you how to become rich in 10 easy ways. Emiringi 10 yonga kubasa kuba mugiga. So following up tutambure hamwe mbase kwa ni mfumesa set Jables. Most people, if not all of us, want to live a financial comfort. Abantu wana nibende sete muntu ena nango atureje. Kana abantu bona tino muntu ori kwena ngo abekuru. Konkaba mwene babaje abantu babakuru. No teka munabo yachi. So I'm going to teach you omuringo gwo kubanza na add value. Jire cyo wayigitaho, jire cyo washoma, jire cyo wamanya. Jire cyo washoma ubase kugire cyo wayikorera niwe. Wowe tinde cyo kubasa gukora. Kiringo kwa umuntu nkabashaho nkaba doctor na dokinte cyamweyongeraho ikinde cyamanya manya tati nimbasa gukoreje. Abantu nkabakora video, abantu abakora filmu notegwa kugire ikinde cyo wakoraho. Kubasa kwa aninga set tine kuwa kubone set tine chokozira. You must add value. Umurujungu ni sometimes many self-made whereas people have in common is that they are valuable. No uriya naba roya na bari so develop knowledge, develop a skill. Gire cyo wamanya icyo wabasa gukora. Ugu no muringo gunuko kubasa kufune set. What gire cyo wakora you can't earn anything. Umuringo wakasha tax yourself saving yeteke ho kusevinga yeyiho umushoro mbwene abwenje no kwata sete zo mukaziteka umeme ukaziteka arichi utabase kwe kugira icyo wasigaza tax yourself joti nabi kazinga hi. The concept of saving money is not a new one. However, it is extremely easy to dip into your savings when you want something badly enough. The key to accomplishing your goal is amazing ways to actually try and save money. Try and save money. A different way of looking at your saving is to view them as taxes. Once you pay your taxes, you never get the whole amount back. Washa shurumu shoro tokubasa kutunga set. So take more in kurisha shurumu shoro. Tax yourself. Once you pay your taxes, you never get the whole amount back. Treat your saving the same way. Set money aside in a savings account or transfer it to a totally separate account where you cannot touch it. Treat your saving like money that you will never get back until the day that you get it all back at once. Create a plan and follow it. Invest, start a business, be grateful, develop patience, educate yourself. Then at the end, calculate risks, take calculated risks. So taka kora risky yotabazi. Then give back, donating, msiza kuya mu marketing company yawe no mukuza company yawe. Inza kwa ni mshobora n'imiringo mingi town yaza mogo hari bingi. So bibaza nkore media, subscribe, follow. We're gonna make it together. God bless.